Finding the perfect music for your projects can feel like chasing the wind, impossible and exhausting. But what if I told you there's a way to make it easy? Enter Musicbed. Now's your chance to test drive their game-changing platform with a 14-day free trial. Yes, really free. During the trial, you'll unlock access to one of the largest curated collections of music for filmmakers, cutting-edge AI-powered search tools, and here's the best part, 3 free song licenses to use in your projects. Ready to learn more? Let's dive in. Let's clear the air, no charges during the trial. But if you forget to cancel within 14 days, your account will automatically switch to a paid annual subscription. Don't sweat it, Musicbed will send you a reminder before the trial ends so you can decide whether to cancel or commit. Canceling is easy too. Just head to your account settings, find your subscription details, and click cancel. That's it. Worried about what happens after the trial ends? Don't be. Any video you upload during the trial window can stay online forever. No takedowns, no stress. Getting started is super simple. Head to musicbed.com/free trial. If you're new, create an account, answer a few quick questions to personalize your coverage, and review your trial details. Add your credit card info. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about those free licenses. During your trial, you get 3 standard song licenses. Whether you want to use them in one epic video or spread them across 3 smaller projects, they're yours to keep. However, there's one thing to note, Musicbed isn't royalty free. You'll need a license for each use. So while these licenses are perfect for online content, extended uses like theatrical releases or TV ads will require an upgraded plan. But don't worry, those options are available if you need them. Here's something cool for content creators: client work is covered too. As long as your client has fewer than 500 employees, you're good to go. Just make sure to select Add Client Coverage when setting up your trial, and you'll have everything you need. Testing tracks is as easy as it gets. With the trial, you can download unlimited watermark songs to experiment with in your edits. Once you've found the perfect fit, click License, follow the prompts, and voila, your unwatermarked song is ready to go. Plus, your dashboard will show you exactly how many free licenses you have left. Ready to level up your creative projects? Musicbed's free trial is the perfect chance to explore professional-grade music without the commitment. Don't miss out, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials to take your content to the next level. See you next time.